ठीक है। यहाँ उपस्थित प्रत्येक गण को सुसंध्या। पहले प्रस्तुत है एक संस्कृत श्लोक। अष्टादश पुराणेषु व्यासस्य वचनं द्वयम् परोपकारः पुण्याय पापाय परपीडनम्। ठीक है, हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। I am going to speak about motivation. Motivation is the desire, experience of desire. It has major aspects of our life, such as goals and aspirations. Through motivation, a depressed person can give the can claim the hope to live life peacefully. Now I am quoting a story that was written by O. Henry, short story that was written by O. Henry, The Last Leaf. In this story, there are two best friends who are good at two young girls who are good artists and were best friends. One was Chauncey and one was Sue. In this story, there was autumn season and Chauncey was suffering from pneumonia. She felt too depressed and was counting last breaths of her life. That no medicines work on Chauncey's condition. Then she was counting the falling leaves. She was counting the falling leaves, and she said when the last leaf fell, she would leave this world. But her friend Sue doesn't want her to die. Then she visited a great painter who had the dream to become the great and known artist. Great artist. So she went to him and told the whole story about her friend's condition. Told him the whole story about her friend's condition. Then during one stormy night, the artist made the last leaf. That was his lifetime achievement, which saves the young girl Chauncey and gives her hope to live and motivated her to live her life peacefully. Thank you.
तो हम जाओ।
ठीक है। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. I am going to tell you about motivation. Motivation is important to life. Happy without motivation. It is the presence of purpose and desire to achieve dream and business goal. That's the way motivation, and it helps us to achieve our own goals. अब हम ये बोलेंगे कि वो हमको किसको देख के बनना है, हमसे मोटिवेट हो
किससे प्रेरणा मिलती
कि सबसे पहले सुबह में जो पापा एक्सरसाइज और योगा करते हैं, पापा के तरह वो क्या बोलना है, सेहत. हाँ, सेहत. फिर जो मम्मी पूरे दिन काम करती है, मम्मी के तरह वो काम करने वाला बनना है. बस खत्म. बोल.
Good evening everyone. Today I am going to speak about my motivation and inspiration. But before I start, I will present the Sanskrit श्लोक. न विना पर्वतेन रमते दुर्जनः काकः सर्वरासान् दुर्गे विनाभ्यां न तृप्यति. अर्थात निंदा किए बिना दुष्ट व्यक्तियों को आनंद कहाँ मिलता है. जैसे कौवा सारी रसों को भोग लगाता है पर गंदगी में ही उसकी संतुष्टि होती है. Now I will speak about my motivation and inspiration. My motivation and inspiration is from our current Prime Minister Narendra Modi. As Narendra Modi is a hard worker and provides good services to his country. Some points about Narendra Modi which I think I also should have. First, be a hard worker, as Narendra Modi works 18 hours out of 24 hours serving his country. Second, having a good relationships with other countries. Third, he tries to complete his dreams and have a good leadership, like dreams like Digital India. 3 हो गए ना. हाँ, चौथा. Fourth क्या था? He tells us about unity and gives us freedom. And fifth is क्या था? He said the great lines that we Indians have unlimited talent, but we have doubts on our capabilities. That's what I also think, that we have unlimited talent, but we doubt on ourselves that we can complete that talent. Thank you.
Good evening. I am starting with a Sanskrit श्लोक. सर्वलक्षणहीनो अपि यः सदाचार्यवान् नरः श्रद्धानु अनसूयश्च शतं वर्षाणि जीवति. अर्थात सभी लक्षणों से हीन होने पर भी यदि कोई व्यक्ति अच्छे आचरण वाला है, श्रद्धावान है तथा किसी दूसरों से ईर्ष्या ना करने वाला है, तो वह 100 वर्षों तक जीवित रह सकता है. Now I will tell you about motivation. Motivation is an experience of desire and aversion. A motivated workforce is an loyal workforce. Motivation will help someone to achieve his personal goals. If an individual is motivated, he will have job satisfaction. And fourth, motivation helps in self development of an individual. There are four factors of motivation. First, leadership. Second, reward system. Third, the organizational climate, and fourth, the structure of the work. Now I am motivated by Mahatma Gandhi's beautiful words on hard work. So I decided to do much more hard work. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. First of all I would like to present a shlok. Dayahinam nishphalam syanasti dharmstu tatra hi ete veda स्यु दर्या यत्र न विद्यते। इसका अर्थ है कि बिना दया के दान का कोई महत्व नहीं होता और ऐसे दान को धर्म नहीं कहा जा सकता, और बिना दया के वेद भी अवेद हो जाते हैं। नाउ आई विल स्पीक अबाउट हु इंस्पायर्स एंड मोटिवेट्स मी द मोस्ट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल I don't really have a single person who is the sole motivation, but possibly the three most prime personalities who motivate me the most are, first of all, our current NSA, Ajit Doval. When I first heard about him, when you first actually hear about how he has managed to live in obviously Pakistan as an undercover, you will actually feel that it's not something that is currently possible. It mostly feels like a script from any movie. That's why he's been named the Indian James Bond, or the real life James Bond. Despite having an age of 75, he's the NSA of our country and has a complete command on the defense of our country. Some of his great events that actually you can say astonishes a person are, first of all, since his early police service days, when he was deployed in Thalassery in 1999, he was able to solve the riots in just 7 days after his deployment. He was able to bring normalcy back into the state just after 7 days of his deployment. After that, he is the prime reason behind India's approach towards its neighboring countries, which was initially defensive but has now become defensive offensive. Third, he's a great speaker and influencer and has great principles and thoughts. He speaks openly about things. Another event that happened was after his appointment of the NSA in the first term in 2014. He was able to bring back 36 nurses which were captured in Iraq. He's the only Indian who has terminated all of the 15 plane hijacks that occurred in 1971 to 1999, which is quite astonishing in itself. The second person who inspires me a lot is Bill Gates. The reason behind it is, whenever we talk about Bill Gates, we often form an image of him like a person who is just a maestro of computers. Apart from just being a genius in computers, he has sheer knowledge in almost every aspect and almost every field. He's the prime leader. He was the prime leader in the eradication of polio from the world through his Bill and Melinda Foundations. Since the starting of his life, he was really into studies, and he often used to share a lot of his facts. Like, he used to stay inside his room and used to stay the whole night up just on his computer and would fall asleep over there, then wake up again and start coding again, which is again brilliant, and it is quite commendable in itself. the third person is not the third person who inspires me, I would say, the most, and is a person whose personality is just anything out of this world, is our Swargi Dadaji, Swargi Paramanand Sharma. It's very surprising to even know the fact how since for a child his father remains his motivation, but it's very surprising how even after losing his father at the age of 7, he has been able to gain so much respect, knowledge and everything from around his village. He was a great speaker, a man with immense knowledge on literature, and what I said yesterday, the day before yesterday, had the ability to move mountains just by his words. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. First of all, I am presenting a slok. Astu ma sadgamay tamso ma ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युर मामृतम गमय, अर्थात हमें असत्य से सत्य की ओर ले चलो और अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर ले चलो और मृत्यु से अमरता की ओर ले चलो. Now I am going to tell you about two people who are my motivators. So first is our present Prime Minister Shri Narendra Damodar Das Modi. He is one of the most inspirational person I had ever seen. Because of his works, he had led missions to improve India and its education system. The point which attracted me a lot towards him was that he became a respected prime minister. However, he sold tea when he was at a young age, and he led many missions like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and etc. to improve India. He is being respected in many countries, or he has been a hard worker, and he does not think about himself but for the whole country. Now I am going to tell you about the second motivator of my life, who was my grandfather, Swargi Paramanand Sharma, who is not currently here. My grandfather Swargi Paramanand Sharma has been my motivator because he had struggled a lot in his life. It is sad to know that his father died when he was only 7. But he did not give up and tried a lot and मतलब एक अच्छे but achieved a lot in life. He became the principal of Kahua High School, and he is being respected in our village also. And when he thank you.
गुड इवनिंग. पहले श्लोक से शुरू करेंगे. ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुक्मे वंदना मृत्युमोक्षी मामृता। इसका अर्थ है कि 3 नेत्र वाले महादेव हमें शक्ति दें, हमें सत्य का रास्ता दिखाएं, वो ही हमारे पालनहार हैं, उन्हें नमस्कार। Now I am going to discuss about motivation. Motivation is very important in overall development of a personality and mind of a person. It leads it puts a person into action and in a competitive states. Furthermore, it helps a person to increase its efficiency and desire to achieve goal. It also leads the person to stability and improvement of work. There are 2 types of motivation: self-motivation and motivation by others. Self-motivation refers to motivation which when a person is self-motivated, he does not depend on other situation or other people. Motivation by other it refers to when a person can't be self-motivated, it depend on other person. There are some of the best motivators are fear of failure, power of rejection, passion, being assertive, and being calm. Thank you.
गुड इवनिंग। मैं सबसे पहले श्लोक बोलूँगी। अल्पस्य कुतो विद्या अविद्यस्य कुतो धनम अधनस्य कुतो मित्रम अमित्रस्य कुतो सुखम। अर्थात आलसी व्यक्ति को विद्या कहाँ से, बिना विद्या के धन कहाँ से, और बिना धन के मित्र कहाँ से, और बिना मित्र के सुख कहाँ से। अब now I am going to tell you about the importance of motivation. Then I will tell you about who motivates me. For importance of motivation, first it helps in achieving our goals. It helps to know the importance of time. Second, it increases the efforts of the person. Fourth, it builds the habits, and it's also make the journey enjoyable. अब मैं बताती हूँ मुझे कौन मोटिवेट करता है। मुझे मोटिवेट मैं खुद से ही होती हूँ। उसका रीज़न एक तो यह है कि अगर हमें कोई दूसरा करेगा तो हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 1 दिन 1 महीने तक ही मोटिवेट रह पाएंगे, उसके बाद नहीं रह पाते। लेकिन अगर खुद को मोटिवेट करेंगे तो हम सब ज़्यादा समय तक मोटिवेट भी रह सकते हैं। और दुनिया में ये भी होता है कि कंपैरिजन बहुत होता है, जिससे जल्दी डिमोटिवेट हो जाते हैं। फिर अगर कभी किसी के लिए